If you game on a console and you want to start streaming or recording your gameplay using a PC, you're going to want to get a capture card. And if your gaming console is the Xbox Series X or S or even the PS5, you're going to want to consider getting the HD60X capture card by Elgato. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about the Elgato HD60X so you can decide if it's what you need by the end of this video. Let's go ahead and dive in. So let's go ahead and kick off with the design of the HD60X. It's very thin and lightweight, and then it has rubber pads on the bottom to keep it sliding off of your desk. Then it's going to go ahead and have three main ports that you're going to use in the back, making it easy for you to be able to go ahead and cable manage everything, allowing you to keep the HD60X on the desk. So the three ports on the back are going to be the HDMI in, your USB-C port, and then your HDMI port. And I'll explain here in just a few moments where everything goes once we dive into the cables. Then on the front of the HD60X, you're gonna have a 3.5 millimeter jack, which is great for capturing all the audio for your recording or live stream. So let's talk about the cables that you're gonna get inside of the box. So you're going to go ahead and get a USB-C to USB 3.0, which is what's gonna go ahead and power the HD60X. The USB side connects to your PC or Mac, and then the USB-C side connects to the HD60X. Now, one thing to remember is that if your PC or Mac is turned off, the HD60X is also turned off, meaning you're not going to get any video feed to your monitor or TV from your console. You need to have your PC or Mac powered on. Then you're going to go ahead and get a HDMI cable that you're going to use in the HDMI out port, and then the other end is going to go into your monitor, which is going to send the feed from your console. Then in the HDMI in port, this is where you want to connect the HDMI cable coming from your console. Now, the HD60X doesn't just work with the Xbox Series X or S or the PS5. You are going to be able to utilize this capture card with older consoles like the PS4, Xbox One, and the Switch. You're just not going to be able to take advantage of all the features that the HD60X can offer. So let's talk about some of the features. So the HD60 offers variable refresh rate, and all that means is that the HD60X is going to sync your frame rate of your console and your monitor, so there isn't any kind of shutter on your footage. Now, this is going to be one of those features that you're not going to be able to utilize if you're on an older console like the PS4 or Xbox One. And also, to use the VRR, you are going to need a monitor that supports HDMI Forum or AMD FreeSync technology, and you're going to need a capable source like the Xbox Series X or S or the PS5 that offers VRR. So the HD60X can capture up to 1440p, 60 SDR, 1080p, 60 HDR, and 4K 30 HDR. And if you don't know what SDR or HDR means, it's a method of displaying video content. So HDR is going to give you more detail in your video, and SDR is going to provide you less detail and color. So you are going to go ahead and get 1080p HDR recording with no limits on how long you can actually record. You're also going to get instant Gameview, meaning that you're going to have ultra low latency in your recording or your streaming software. And then talking about software, the HD60 is compatible with the Mac M1 or higher. It's going to go ahead and work on any Windows, laptop, or desktop system. The HD60X is also going to work with streaming softwares like OBS, XSplit, Streamlabs, Twitch Studio without needing to set up anything. And of course, you are going to be able to utilize the HD60 to stream on platforms like Twitch, Kick, YouTube, Facebook, and many others. Now, I've had this for about a year, and it's worked perfectly for my streaming and recording use case. And if you're just getting started streaming using OBS and a PC, go ahead and check out this playlist right here where I show you how to go ahead and set up your HD60X in OBS along with all your overlays to make your stream look professional. I'll see you guys in the next video.